Welcome to Informed Investor. In the global race towards vehicle electrification, India is emerging as a dynamic player with several companies looking to take center stage in this transformative industry. As India's electric two-wheeler segment charges ahead, this is ignite fierce competition among both established giants and innovative newcomers. Let's discuss this. The month of October saw e-two-wheeler sales of 74,623 units, an impressive increase of around 17% compared to the previous month. While the sales are gaining strong momentum, the marketplace are facing some intense competition from fellow rivals. The major four players account for a massive 77% market share, while Ola still leads the pack with a giant market share of 31.8%. TVS and Bajaj, which are leaders in the traditional internal combustion engine powered by petrol, have been making a mark in the electric segment. TVS Motors now demands a market share of 22%, and Bajaj Auto recently took the third spot, displacing Ather Energy to the fourth spot. The role of incentives like tax exemptions, low electricity tariffs, robust charging infrastructure, and friendly EV policies have been the key drivers of this EV adoption. The penetration of e-two-wheelers now stands at 5.1%, an increase from 4.8% in September. Despite the reduction of the FAME subsidy program, which slowed down the growth of the segment, consumers are gradually embracing electric two-wheelers led by the various benefits it offers like reduced running costs and eco-friendliness. South Korea is making a move in the world of stock trading. Financial authorities in Korea announced on Sunday a complete ban on short selling, and they're planning to keep it in place at least until June. So what's the reason behind this move? It is to level the playing field for retail and institutional investors. Now, what is short selling, you might ask? Short selling involves borrowing a security whose price you think is going to fall from a brokerage and selling it in the open market. Your plan is to then buy the same stock back later, hopefully for a lower price than you initially sold it for, and pocket the difference after repaying the initial loan. So you see, it's a way to make money when you believe a stock is on a downward spiral. But not everyone is a fan of short selling. Some argue it's unfair because it lets investors profit from a company's misfortune, potentially driving stock prices lower. However, there are others who say short selling is a vital function of the financial markets. They say it helps identify overvalued stocks, improves market efficiency by fixing pricing mistakes, and adds liquidity to the market. And do you know, while short selling is legal, naked short selling is not permitted. The reason for this is that naked short selling involves shorting of shares that do not exist. The temporary ban in South Korea was put in place after financial authorities uncovered rampant illegal naked short selling practices by global investment banks. South Korea has stated that they're looking to make fundamental improvements to level the playing field for retail investors in the coming months. This includes finding ways to narrow the different short selling requirements and conditions between institutions and individual investors. This move has caused quite a stir in South Korea, and it's even sparked the biggest rally in Korean equities since 2021. While some argue that short selling bans are necessary to prevent unfair practices and protect the market's integrity, others believe that such restrictions can actually make the market less transparent and less appealing. There's also speculation that these limitations could hinder South Korea's market from advancing to a developed market status in the MSCI indices. So, as you can see, the debate about short selling continues, and it's a topic that raises some important questions about how financial markets should operate. Having said that, this is me, Rahul, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.